Hey guys, let's take a look at this HDMI to USB cable so you can use with your computer to have an extra monitor, just like I have here. Here's my MacBook Pro and my monitor, and I'm going to use this cable to connect the device, right? So let me just take a look here on my monitor. You see that I have an HDMI port just right here. There we go. And then I can just grab the cable, remove this protection. There we go, that's the brand that I use it a lot. It's a good brand, it works pretty fine, okay? And here you see that's a 8K Ultra HD cable. So it works pretty fine if you need high resolution, all right? I'm just grab it here and connect to the ports, HDMI. There we go. Then I can just move to the place again, just like so. And connect to my computer. See, that's pretty easy to use. Just need to connect. Let me just make sure that I connected here. There we go. And I have this USB-C port. I connect it here. And I'm gonna see the image back there, okay? So I don't need to do anything here. See, it's already there, it's working. And if I come here to the Mac system settings, I can see here on the screen, on the display. I'll just show here better. There we go, display here. I have the monitor already working just right here, right? Two monitors working, one is the built-in display, and the other one is there. It works pretty fine. Let me just grab something here, like a calculator, for example. You see that I can move back there, and it works pretty fine, right? So pretty simple to use. You don't need to do anything here. Of course, you can come here and rearrange the position here. For example, on the top, when I click here on your Mac, you see that I have one on the bottom, another one on the top. So that's the way it's working right now. When I move something there, like the calculator, for example, right? I just need to go to the top and it shows up there. And then you can use with your monitor the way you want. So it's pretty good, pretty easy to use as well. With 8K works pretty fine. And here the resolution, the maximum resolution that I'm using here for my laptop works pretty fine, right? So guys, let me just remove it from here again, so you see the product again. Works pretty fine, okay? If you need to use a cable to connect your devices, 8K Ultra HD, that's the one. You can get yours on Amazon. I highly recommend it.